Hello, this is Christina Wallace, and this is my Tip Tuesday in one big compilation. So officially, it's my first season Tip Tuesday. Let me know what you think, and I hope that you would enjoy watching it all in one if you'd missed a couple of bits, or if you haven't seen any of them. If it's your first time on my channel, it's channel all about flowers with a couple of videos every week. So be good, enjoy, share, and I will see you again with a brand new tutorial on Thursday. For some odd, very strange reason, people, including myself, tend to make the centers for blackberry a lot larger than they actually have to be. And so at the end, you just end up with this huge blackberries. So make sure you watch your size and also make your original shape to be the one you want to see at the end. Taping the base of any petal makes it very much easier to assemble around the base and gives you much more control when taping the flower together. It's a brilliant understated tip in my opinion. I wouldn't say I always live what I preach when it comes to cutters. I would say though that you could create some absolutely beautiful flowers just using adapted or DIY cutters like this. Basically as good as flowers. And you could buy this particular set, David Austin's set of cutters, beautiful quality, nice quality, from eBay for about £3. At the time of this video going live, it's still available out there, so place it in search, and all you need to do, you need to make sure that the cutting, all the cutting area of the cutter could just lay on the surface flat without gaps. Basically that it just not misshapen when you change the shape of this cutter. It's very easily done. It's harder to misshapen it than not to misshapen it, if that makes sense. And yes, a beautiful way to save money while still making flowers that you want to make. Now this Tip Tuesday got a peculiar number of dislikes in comparison to others, and I think it's because people may have been thinking that I've been using this for hair, these donuts, before I started using them for flowers. I can assure everyone that I was not doing that. I kind of buy products of beauty and I never get around to beautifying myself, but then I find a secondary use for them. So this is what happened there. Mixing powders into a gum paste could often be laborious and also come out quite grainy and dry out your paste altogether. Adding a little bit of petal based or maybe just some vegetable shortening margarine really deals with that problem. In my opinion, this is by far the best way to tint your paste. I was very excited indeed when I tried the eggshell, and it just did the job beautifully. As it turned out though, after I put this one on Tip Tuesday, a lot of people knew this trick already. Not so much of a aha moment, eh? Still, I'm a little bit proud even now. I personally believe that this way of making a center ball for the flower is absolutely genius, especially for people like me who sometimes don't plan on time and have no dried up fully centers. It works really well. To be extra short, just add maybe a little bit of glue before you insert it in, and it's brilliant, really reliable, really light, and as I said, in seconds. Any kind of fixative for clay is still a mystery to me at the moment, so this is kind of a mini godsend. Now this one is probably perhaps the oldest trick in the book if you go somewhere like Pinterest. That said though, I tend to kind of take it to the extreme and really separate these strands, not just put an impression on them. That way I think it looks quite realistic without having to roll each and every of those teeny little balls individually. And it looks quite good at the end, I think. Now this trick here seems to be almost too good to be true, but it isn't. It's just a very nice and easy way to keep your finish beautiful and neat. I don't know where I picked it up. I may have even thought of it myself. Either way, I hope that some of you, my viewers, haven't seen it or thought of it before and find it to be a nice surprise.